Hey bestie, welcome to another video on the channel, and today I'm going to be doing a clay mask on my natural hair for the very first time ever. Now this had better be as cranked up as you guys make it seem, because if it doesn't go well, I'm coming for all of y'all, okay? The main reason I am doing this is because I am prepping my hair for a long-term hairstyle. I'm doing feed-in cornrows with extensions. I'm of course going to do it by myself, so watch out for that video. It is coming soon. So from most of the videos that I've seen on YouTube of people doing clay masks, they use that Aztec bentonite clay, but that thing costs money, and then they're not going to use apple cider vinegar. Do you know how much that costs? So no, I'm going to be working with free things today. And no, I'm not going to pack clay from outside on the road, please. I work with this brand, Shiny Brands, and last December they did like an advent calendar where they had like a bunch of random products that they've never released before, like brand new, limited edition, exclusive, you know what I'm saying? So this was one of the products that was in that box. It's called Earth on the Beat mask. One thing I noticed in a lot of the videos that I watched is once they are done with their hair and there's anything left, they will just put it all over their face and all over their neck. So skin, hair, everything, this can work. I know it is really small. I have some left. This is the one I use for my face, but I'm going to try and use just this and see if it will be enough for my hair, because my hair is like really plenty. Inside the bowl that I want to use to mix, this is how much clay is in there. So I'm going to add some water, because I don't have apple cider vinegar. Please, water is free for mankind, and that's what I'm going to use. I can't believe I ended up putting too much water and it came out looking like tea. Looks like Milo. But we're going to manage it like that because money cannot waste. Well, it's not as if I spent any money, but whatever, okay? We can't waste things that were given to us for free. Okay, so first things first. Well, I already have my hair in section, so what I want to do now is to kind of detangle a little bit. Now I have a lot of gunk on my hair. That's why I'm trying to clarify and detox. So I don't feel like I need to add extra products. Like I have conditioner, butter, just many different things. Ow. In my hair. Ow. Ow. Okay, let's add more water. Ow. I don't want to add more product. Okay, so maybe I will actually just finger detangle at this point, because like that was painful. See, look at how, I don't know if you can see how dirty my hands are. I know that there's a lot of product in this hair that needs to get out. Let's take my Milo mixture, that's what I'm gonna call it from now on. I'm gonna apply it ever so gently, because if this thing pours on the floor, I'm going to end this video like here, now. Oh. Ooh. Whoa, look at how my curls are popping. Yo, can you see this? Okay, maybe it is all it was hyped up to be, just maybe. I also heard that you should try to focus on your scalp as well. Try to get the clay on your scalp as well, so that you can also detox your scalp. Whoa, okay, making me feel like I should probably consider doing a wash and go sometime soon. Okay, let's move on to the next section. Let's see. I'm actually really liking this watery consistency, because it's just making it so easy to like apply and distribute throughout my hair. Whoa, I am loving what this is doing to my hair. I'm loving it. So this is not like a deep conditioner that you would focus directly on just your hair. Apparently, since it is a detoxing treatment, then it can be applied to your scalp, because just like when you are shampooing your hair, you're trying to clean your hair and your scalp. So this also should be applied to your hair and scalp, because you're trying to detox. In as much as there can be products build up on your hair, there can also be product build up on your scalp as well. So when you are detoxing, be sure to detox both your hair and your scalp. Very, very important, because if your scalp is dirty, you might start dealing with things like itchy scalp while your protective style is in. And trust me, you do not want your scalp to start itching unbearably just after 2 days of doing your protective style. Like, that's not fun for anybody. So please make sure that you detox your scalp as well as your hair. I'm sorry, I can't get over what this is doing to my hair right now. Like, okie dokie, wow. Okay, I guess I thank God that I made the clay mixture very watery, because I finished it. I didn't think I was going to finish it, but I did, and that is crazy. This whole jar of watery clay that I thought, okay, maybe it would remain some and I can put it on my face. It's a lie. Maybe I can just put like some of what's left on my like T-zone or something. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Let call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on camera. Ended up using like the whole thing. This process is extremely messy. Like, look at my hands, all over my legs, all over the floor, all over my tripod, even like on my mic. It's everywhere. So please just know that it's a very, very messy process. This side of my hair, the clay is already drying, and like I can't even shake it without some dusties coming out. This side is on its way to drying, so I'm just going to let this sit for another maybe like 10 minutes, so that the roots, because it's the ends that are already drying out, but the roots are still very moist. So I'm going to leave this on for a few minutes, maybe like 10 minutes, and then we'll go and rinse all of it off. All right. I am done rinsing the clay out of my hair, and my hair was seriously dripping, and I do not have a microfiber towel, and I do not like using regular towels on my hair. So a t-shirt is a very cheap alternative to a microfiber towel. You should try it sometime, okay? Oh my god. Whoa, forget what I was saying about the t-shirt and the microfiber towel. Look at my hair. Are you seeing those clumps? That is so cool. Yo, that is amazing. Anyway, we're moving on to the next step of the protective style prep. So I have detoxed my hair with the clay mask, my hair and scalp, all detoxed, clean, clear, like so clear, my natural curls be popping with no product. So next I'm going to do a protein treatment, and yep, once again I'll be using a product from Shiny Organics. This is their damage defense protein mask. I will be using this to fortify my hair in preparation for the style that I want to do. Like I said, I'm going to be using extensions, and I'm probably going to take the style for like a long period of time. So I need to do some fortification. Make sure that my hair can withstand being intertwined with extensions for that long a period of time. So this is what the protein mask looks like. I love the texture, very smooth and creamy, and it has the most amazing scent, like bubble gum. So I know that most people would say section your hair, section your hair. Like, man, I don't really have energy for all of that. I'm just going to try my best to put the product all over my hair without necessarily having to section, because even if I section, when it's time to rinse the product out, guess who's going to have to loosen the sections all over again? Yeah, me. And I don't have that energy. I don't have that strength. So I'm just gonna try and distribute this myself without sections. The next step is to moisturize my hair, and I'm using this creamy leave-in conditioner from Beauty Express Hair Shop. I kid you not, this leave-in conditioner is the best that I have ever smelt, and it is also really good when it comes to actually moisturizing your hair, and it has so much sleep, it is unbelievable. It is my go-to leave-in conditioner because, like I said, I'm prepping my hair for a long-term protective style, and the moisture that this product gives my hair, it's gonna last. You can bank on it, you can bet on it. So yeah, that's why I chose this leave-in conditioner. By the way, I'm putting my hair in bantu knots to get it to stretch, because I really am not a fan of heat styling. It's not like I haven't done it before, and it's not like heat styling is bad. I just really like to minimize it as much as possible. When I was done doing all the bantu knots, you won't believe that I had this large chunk of hair just misplaced, nowhere to put it. So I decided to make it into a bantu knot of its own. Finally, I applied this anti-dandruff spray from Mega Growth to my scalp. I love this spray so much because it soothes my scalp so deeply. Like, it just leaves my scalp feeling all tingly. I love it so much. Alrighty, so that is my process for prepping my hair for a long-term protective style. Now, I'm going to leave my hair in these bantu knots for a few days just so I can get a proper stretch. I do not, like I said, I do not really appreciate heat styling on my hair. I don't know, it's not as if heat styling is bad or anything. I just don't like it. I have heat protectants, but I would just rather not. And I found that bantu knots really do give me that stretch that I need. So I'm going to leave my hair in these bantu knots for a while. Thankfully, I work from home, so I can go about looking crazy all I want, and it's not going to be anybody's business. So yeah, this is my process. Detox or clarify my hair and scalp, do a protein treatment to strengthen my hair strands because they're about to get intertwined with external extensions, and of course moisturize my hair and treat my scalp. Right now my scalp is tingling. So yeah, that is the process, and I will see you in my next video where I actually do the hairstyle. Yes, I'm actually going to do the feeding cornrows by myself. They're going to be DIY. I've done it before. You can check this video out to see when I did it before. I've done it before, and I'm just going to do it again, just in a different color. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.